Hello and welcome to this section. In this section, we'll be looking at CRUD. CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete. These are the main basic functions that you will perform on any database system. So CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete. So these key four things are what you will perform mostly on any database. So you either be creating something like a table, you'll be reading data, you'll be updating the data that's in the database, or you'll be deleting some records from the database. So in this section, we will be experimenting with examples of each of these. So we'll create a table, we will read data from a database, we will update an existing record inside the database, and we will delete a record from a database.